Ever wonder why it sometimes takes 3 days for your money to show up in your Ally account while other times it's there in minutes? When I first opened my Ally account, I realized that how you move your money matters just as much as where you're moving it from. If you want the absolute best way to transfer funds from another bank into Ally, you have 3 main paths, and each serves a different purpose based on how fast you need the cash. 1. The standard path, ACH transfer, pull method. This is my go-to for moving larger sums without paying a dime. To do this, you don't go to your old bank's app, you log into Ally, go to Transfers, and select Link Other Accounts. The process, you'll enter your external bank's routing and account numbers. Ally usually verifies this instantly if your other bank supports it, or they'll send 2 tiny microdeposits that you'll have to confirm a day or 2 later. The timing, once linked, a standard pull transfer usually takes about 3 business days. Pro tip, if you've been with Ally for more than 90 days and have a good history, you might qualify for next day transfers, which is a total game changer for moving 5-figure sums quickly. 2. The speed path, Zelle. If you only need to move a few hundred or a couple $1,000s instantly, I always use Zelle. The process, most major banks have Zelle built in. Just send money to yourself using the email or phone number you have registered with your Ally account. The timing, it's instant. The money hits my Ally spending or savings account in seconds. The limit, just keep in mind that your sending bank likely has a daily limit, often between $500 and $2,500, so this isn't the move for a total account migration. 3. The emergency path, domestic wire. I only use this when I'm closing on a house or making a massive purchase that cannot wait 3 days. The process, you initiate this from your other bank, the one sending the money. You'll need Ally's specific wire routing number, which is different from their standard ACH routing number. The timing, it's same day if you started before the mid-afternoon cutoff. The catch, while Ally doesn't charge a fee to receive a wire, your sending bank almost certainly will, usually between $25 and $50. For 99% of people, the best way is to link your account through the Ally portal and use the ACH pull method. It's secure, free, and once those accounts are linked, moving money back and forth is just a 2-click process. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.